Understanding subscription management features.
Subscription management apps are designed to help you keep track of ongoing digital subscriptions and recurring bills. They analyze your financial activity to identify repeating charges, making it easier to see what services you're paying for and when. With these features, users can avoid surprise payments and take control of their monthly expenses.
How apps detect recurring charges.
These apps scan your bank and credit card transactions for patterns that match typical subscription payments. Algorithms look for consistent amounts, merchant names, and regular billing dates, like every month or year. By spotting these patterns, the app flags potential subscriptions, even if the merchant changes their name slightly from month to month.
Organizing and categorizing subscriptions.
Once recurring charges are found, the app will organize them into clear categories, such as streaming services, utilities, or cloud storage. This helps you see all your ongoing digital commitments at a glance. The app may also let you rename, group, or even color code subscriptions for more personalized tracking.
Alerts and management tools.
Most subscription management tools offer alerts before upcoming charges, so you're never caught off guard. Some even provide renewal reminders or suggestions to cancel unused services. Features like budgeting, expense trends, and easy access to cancellation options empower users to make informed decisions about their digital spending.
Privacy and security in subscription tracking.
Security is a key concern, so reputable subscription management apps use encryption and privacy safeguards to protect your financial information. Many will only access transaction data necessary for their features, and users maintain control over what accounts are shared. This balance ensures useful subscription management without compromising your data.